Agora is a free service for food and land-based goods producers, so we can give help like mentoring, one-to-one sessions, workshops, but also we're an ear to listen to you, to talk about ideas, see where you're going, answer any questions you've got about where you should be going and how you should be selling.
We've been working very closely with the producers over the last few months to get them ready to trade at the start of Farmers Market, which is starting today.
Well, Agora have helped us turn up here today and be present at the Winter Fair. We've always wanted to attend and Agora have made that happen for us.
We've held a couple of workshops, getting them ready to sell, because we've got a few producers here that this is their actual first farmers market. So a few tips and tricks. We've been working with a couple of consultants we've had in.
Diane has helped us actually be here today. Without his help, we wouldn't be at the show at all. He's given us loads of help with marketing and various other things.
Gwybod sydd wedi gychwyn busnes ynglyn â labelu, help gyda pecynnu, costau, gwneud cynnyrch newydd, help gyda meddwl sydd wedi osod stondin cyn dod yma.
As a whole, they kind of helped us look at kind of the food hygiene side and everything we needed to do, taking on this amazing, huge opportunity really, which we probably wouldn't have done without the help of Agora.
It's been interesting to meet new people because we normally just sell within the Cardiff area and online. So I've been meeting completely different types of people today.
Gwerthu lot o Welsh cakes. Fi'n really surprised faint fi wedi gwerthu hyd yn hyn, cos maen nhw wedi fflio mas heddi. A ni'n meddwl, na i cymryd bach o brec, ond na, fi gofod cadw at y gwydl a cadw yn llawn yn ystod y dydd.
It's been good networking with everybody else around here and getting lots of new ideas and how I can market everything and just new ideas really and how to go forward.
If you're a startup food or drink or land-based good business, get in touch with us and we can help you get on the right path. Listen to your ideas, discuss where you should be going, get you specific advice if you need it, and just help you along that journey.